for 1 year. Oh my god. So let's open it. Should we start? Okay. We got a lot of packies. And doll is staying there. And the packies came over. Come on. Oh. See? This. Look. So let's see which one we have. I don't know. But it has to be the unicorn one. Oh, please. Now let's open the baggie first, okay? The smallest baggie. Oh my gosh! Let's see the other shoe. Now let's. Oh please, man! Let's open the sponge. Oh my god! Oh, so cute! The skirt! I love it! Now let's open this one. The bigger one, it's of course a sponge. The pink one! So soft! Oh my god! Let's open the last huge bag. Okay? So look, what's inside this? I wonder what like this. Oh my god, her hair! Orange hair! Now let's put it here. And there might be something else. Oh, these things, wow, I love it. Now the last thing, let's open the doll. Look, now the doll. I'm getting water. Okay guys, when we'll put water, this Barbie is going to change her color and become a real one. Can you believe that? My favorite dolls, these are. Let's put water now. So now I put the Barbie inside. Now we're gonna put water and see the magic. Gonna need a lot of water. So let's start again. Oh my god, look at her paint. Now this is gonna, now this Barbie is gonna look from inside like this. Oh my god! Let's take her out. Look guys, now she's ready for the accessories. Yes. And now I put lots of water so that she gets revealed. Now, we are gonna put her hair first. I'm too excited. Oh, look at her hair. Now let's put her skirts. Look, now we're gonna make her wear the shoes and then the makeup. Oh my god. Whoa, look at her. Let's do all her makeup. So she's taking really cold water to reveal her makeup. She has blush on, and I like her eyeshadow. But she doesn't have any lipstick. Blush on and eyeshadow I like, but she doesn't have any lipstick. But it's okay. I got the second one, the orange one. Look. I hope you enjoy as much as I loved opening the Barbie. I hope you like my channel. Bye guys. See you soon.